21 PC drill bits include 1/16, 5/64, 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 11/64, 3/16, 13/64, 7/32, 15/64, 1/4, 17/64, 9/32, 19/64, 5/16, 21/64, 11/32, 23/64, and 3/8" and more to help add more versatility and applications to your screwdrivers and drills, making them ideal for any handyman or craftsman. Firm and secure hold. Our drill bit set for impact driver maintain a secure connection to help minimize drops and reduce wobbling to offer more precision and control, making them just right for seasoned pros and newcomers. Durable and sturdy build. Our drill bit set is made using stainless steel that are durable and sturdy enough to handle daily use even in the long run. They are corrosion resistant, easy to maintain, and a breeze to organize. Titanium coating can extend the life by 5 times. Advantage. Precision grinding inclined blade helps ensure fast drilling, impressive cutting power, and excellent chip removal. Top reviews from the United States. Cut like a knife. I bought these to spruce up my bits. I had a job to drill through the hood of my car to add a vent. They worked wonderful.